Pi is a really interesting number. It has a super long history and there's certainly a lot of confusion about it. It's definitely really important, but what is it? Well, pi is commonly referred to as the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. The really interesting thing about this is that it remains constant, no matter the size of the circle. This was proven by Archimedes, this guy. He was also one of the first people to approximate the value of pi. He started by drawing polygons inside and outside a circle, knowing that the circumference of the circle will be between the two. This led him to find that the ratio of circumference to diameter is between 223 over 71 and 22 over 7. For a long time, this polygon method was the only way to find pi. This method actually got mathematicians to find up to 39 digits of pi, which is super impressive for the time. However, this is a stark contrast to the trillions of digits we have now. So how did it get from 39 to trillions? Well, it started in the 16th and 17th centuries with the discovery of infinite series. James Gregory and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz were some of the first to use this new form of mathematics to find pi. The Leibniz formula is based on the inverse tangent function, and this is a special case of the Gregory series expansion for inverse tangent that was used to find pi. This series allowed mathematicians to get 620 digits of pi. These were good approximations, but mathematicians wanted more. Then, something miraculous happened. The dawn of computers allowed mathematicians to approximate pi even further. John Wrench and Levi Smith got to 1,120 digits in 1949 using a desk calculator. From here, records got broken insanely fast. 10,000 digits in 1958, 100,000 in 1961, and finally 1 million digits in 1973. New algorithms made specifically for computers were found and used to keep it going. These iterative algorithms repeated a certain calculation over and over, which meant that calculations could go on much faster. The downside was that they took up more computer memory, but still, mathematicians pushed on and continued. They kept going and going until today, where we now have trillions of digits. And with that, my pi is done.